Hi, my name is Kelly Vogel. This is a sound passage exercise. Welcome. I've been thinking a lot this week about how our bodies are storage vessels for memories and experiences. And sometimes we have the tools to release those memories and that energy, and sometimes we don't. And sound passage exercises offer you tools to release some of that pent up energy through gentle movement and gentle sound. And this is one today that I'm going to show you. And it's something we'll do in a chair, and you can also do it standing, and I'll show you both ways. Um, the foundation of the practice is the breath. So, first, we just review the breath, the belly breath. So, we're going to breathe in through our nose and into the belly, imagining that there is a balloon in your belly, expanding and then deflating as we exhale through the mouth. And one more, breathing in through the nose and inflating the balloon, and exhaling, deflating the balloon. And now we're going to add a little bit of sound and movement. And the sound is a gentle exhale on breathing in through the nose and and we're going to add movement to this, and I'll demonstrate. So we're going to breathe in through the nose, into the belly, and we're going to exhale on in through the nose and out through the mouth. And just coming back up to straight, seated. And we're going to breathe in again through the nose. And just bend over, just relax the neck, relax the spine, maybe relax those shoulders. Breathing in through the nose. Exhaling back up to a straight and comfortably seated position. And now we're going to add sound coming up. We're going to bring in a rising sound as you come back up. So we're going to inhale through the nose, feeling the belly expand, and bending over with breathing in through the nose, filling up the belly. And then we're going to raise that sound, almost think of like a siren. Back to a straight back. Breathing in through the nose again. Filling up the belly and coming over gently. Breathing in through the nose. And raising that sound again. And just doing that a few times can wake up the nervous system, can help wake up the spine, wake up the vocal cords, and kind of help just wake up all of the nuances of the vocal channel. And you can stand up as well and do it from a standing position. And so we breathe in to the belly through the nose, exhaling and just leaning over gently. And then making that same sound that we did before. So breathing in through the nose, feeling the belly expand, and And just doing that a few times during the day can help you relax the spine, again, wake up the nervous system, and breathe new energy into your body and your system and help refresh in just a few minutes. I hope you find that enjoyable, and I hope to see you again.